So next we have Git part is done, Git desktop is done. Okay, Jira Postman we will take next tomorrow. So now next we will go for Salesforce account. Okay, and we will create remote MySQL account. So let's start with just give me 1 minute. Salesforce account. So for Salesforce, you need this URL. Okay, take this URL. If you want, I can put in chat. The internet is slow, it seems. Everything is taking time. Okay, so this is developer Salesforce account. Here you will get sign up option. So you need to click on this sign up and it will ask you detail. Okay, so here you need to put your name, last name, your email address, your role, company name, region, postal code, username. So this again should be unique. Okay. And once you will put everything, you will click on sign me up option. Okay. Once you will click on this, your account will be created. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Or let me create them. So you need to fill some relevant details. Okay. Oh, this username must be in the form of email address.
Correct, Ravi. It is asking at the rate some
Yeah.
company name.
Okay. And then click on this sign up option. Okay. So it's creating account. Oh, okay. So it's asking you need to check your email to confirm your account. I used some dummy email, so I will not able to confirm. You just need to confirm and then you can log in. So for login, you can use this URL. So for login, you will use this URL. Okay. So I already in this URL. So here you need to provide your email address and password, what you user ID and password, what you just given. Okay, I have this user ID and password. Let me see if I have account. Okay, I think my account got expired. So let me create new account.
It is taking bit time to get the mail, Ravi. We need to wait some
Oh,
time.
okay.
I was done actually creating the account, but it is taking time to receiving the mail.
Okay. Okay. We'll wait for some time. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm taking water, so it's connecting to minute.
I was almost waited for 5 more minutes. After that only it was received the mail.
Okay, you received in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we received. Then click on this verify account. What happened? Okay. What is this? I think something is dummy. Let me proceed. Okay. So many time I'm getting requests. So is there any problem? People are disconnecting again and again. So in this way, you can create Salesforce account. And here, like we will see soon, we will see like how to create custom object and all. So that part we will take when we will start working on our assignment or project. Okay, then we will see how to create object and other things. Okay. Okay. One thing we can do here, like we can work on security. This option. So what you need to do, go to your account, click on this. No, not this one. my personal information and reset my security token. Okay. So you need to go inside settings, and then here you will get reset my security token. Okay, this token you will need to connect your Salesforce connector with this Salesforce account. Okay, so this token we will use. Okay, and if you want to generate token, then click on this link and it will send your security token in your email. So what will be step? I'm saying again, you need to go to settings. Then inside settings, you will get in my personal info, you will get reset my security token, and then it will send token to your email. Now go to your email, and this will be your security token. This you will need during your development. Okay, so store this here. So first URL is for this is for registration. Second one is for login. This is security token. So we are done with Salesforce account also. Let me know if anyone has any doubt. Anyone has any doubt? So next we will go for Postman. Okay, so for Postman, what you need to do, click here and click Postman download. Click on this software, and then here you will get option. Again, you will get based on your operating system. I am using Windows, so I'm getting this one. If you are using Mac, you will get Mac one. Click on this. So this software will be downloaded, and you just need to click on this exe file. It will ask you next. You need to, okay, let me do it. It will take time, I think. So what you need to do, so once you will download this software, then I have already this software. Click on this software, and it will ask you to click on next. You need to complete this setup. Okay, it's a very similar to other software. You just need to select default option next. Okay, it's not asking anything, so simply it will install directly. I have already, so it will log into my Postman directly. Okay, this one is my Postman, and let me see, I have already account command monitoring. This is my workspace I already created, but for you it will be blank workspace you need to create. This is very simple software, you don't need much things here. So Postman is also done. Next, coming to Jira, we will take tomorrow. Okay, since Jira needs lots of effort and many things will be there. Then Maven we can do. So for Maven, what you need to do, again go to Maven download. So for everyone, you will get recording by today itself. So you need to go through recording and you need to do all this step. Okay, so don't worry if you are not doing parallelly. If we will do parallelly, then it will take lots of time. Okay, I will do first. I will send you recording. You will follow that recording and you will do everything. Many people can, since this software are very easy, so you don't need even recording. You can do by yourself. Just go through process what I'm doing. Here you have multiple.
How to check whether it is already installed or not?
Yeah, that also you can do. Okay. So here we have multiple software. So you will take this zip one. Okay. Take this zip one. I have already this software. So Apache Maven 3.8.4 SRC. Okay. So this software you will download this one. So this one is 5. It's the latest one. But I have fourth one, which is older one. But it's okay. You can take latest one itself. Extract this. So you will get this one. Then copy this folder again. Okay. Copy this particular folder and go to C drive. Okay. Go to program file and paste it here like this. Okay. Just paste it here inside this C drive. Okay. So here I have everything.
Ravi?
Yes.
Yeah, I have this kind of issue. I don't know if it applies for everybody. I don't know. Instead of if you have something already saved somewhere in your system, if you tell that I saved here or stuff, sometimes there are issues, come up, when we try to save it as a new. If you can, even though you have it to save, to start with us, here, for example, I've been somewhere else, like I said, I have in my system, do this, do that, do this, do that. When most of us, we have done it, it didn't work for us. It worked for the instructor in another version, another thing, So I think I would recommend one thing to go through with it, because it's a very important part of the installation.
So
The
here what you
installation.
need to do. See here what you need to do. Whatever setup I am doing. Okay. So you need to do same setup in your system just after this class. Okay. If we will do together, then it will take, this entire setup will take 7 to 8 hours. Okay. So we means it will say, means these things are very basic thing. Okay. If we will do together and we will spend 7-8 hours here, then we will miss some important time for our like important things. First do it. Definitely you can get some trouble, you can get some doubt. Okay. So you can ask that doubt in next like tomorrow in 15 minutes. Instead of spending extra 4 hours, we can do same thing in next like in 15 minutes tomorrow. Most of the
Sure.
software definitely you will able to install. Okay. 90% software there will not be any kind of problem. These softwares are very straightforward. Okay. You can see just copy paste, it's not any installation here. Generally, if you have exe file, if you are installing, if some software are very complex, then you will face some problem. But these softwares are very straightforward, like Postman, Salesforce account, Maven, everything is very straightforward. So you will not get any problem. But first try. If you will get problem, definitely we will take that problem. Okay, it's not like I will not solve your doubts. And even I will provide this recording, so you will follow this one, and definitely it will work. And even you don't need recording for all this software. I will give you this particular document. You know what process I followed, you will follow the same process.
Hi,
Okay,
Ravi. I
since
have one
we need
question
to
here.
save our time for important things, these all are like setup. This is not going to be important for us. For us, development, error handling, security, deployment, those things are very much important. So we will spend more time there.
Hi, Ravi. One question
Yes,
here. Are
yes.
we gonna copy the folder or the link?
Folder.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So inside program folder, you will copy this entire folder, Apache Maven. You will take this entire folder and you will put inside program file.
Okay,
Then go to
thank
this
you.
folder. Okay. Go to bin and copy this path. Then you need to go to advanced and environment variable. So here we have two environment variable. One is path. Okay. So in path, what you need to do, here you can see I kept the path. What path I copied till bin folder, I pasted here. This will be first thing. Once you will paste it here, you need to create new and you need to paste it here. Okay, but I have already, so I will not click on OK. I will click on cancel. For you, after pasting here, you need to click on OK. Then you need to create M2 home and Maven home. Maven home is also it's enough to create, but many places you will see many people are using M2 home as a Maven home. Many places the command will be there, they will use Maven home. Many places they will use M2 home. So in that case, to avoid that problem, I created both. Okay, and what you need to do here, once you will create Maven home, okay, how to create that also, click on new, put here M2 home and paste this path. Just remove this bin one. Okay, you just need to put this folder. Okay, and then click on OK. So what it will do, it will create M2 home like this. Okay, just you need to click on OK. I have already, so I'm not creating. Same way, Maven home you need to create.
Ravi here. What is the difference between like user variable and system variable? I see sometimes they create the home and the path in the user variable too. What is like in
Okay.
which scenario?
On this part, I'm not 100% sure, but in a system like you can create multiple users. Okay. For example, my system has only one user. This is Kumar. Okay, my user is Kumar, but you can create multiple user in your system. And if you want to create some property or something based on user, then you will use this one. Okay, these variable are independent of user. If you have 5 user also in your system, all user will able to get this property.
Got it.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so once you will create this M2 home and Maven home, then you need to go again to program file. Go back. Search here you have Java or not. I have already Java in my system. 80% like 80% possibility will be there. You will have inbuilt Java. Inbuilt Java means by system only, when you purchase system, they will give you Java. In worst case, if you don't have Java, then you need to download it. So to download Java, okay. So what you need to do, you can download JDK 1.8. Okay, so here we have multiple. So I will take Windows 64-bit and download this JDK. Once you will download this JDK, again you need to install this JDK. So here you need to click on this setup file, click on yes, yes, 2-3 times. Okay, 2-3 times it will ask you to click on yes, yes, yes. You need to click on that, and then your Java will be installed. And where it will be installed? It will be installed in program file at this location. Go inside this. Here you can see I have JDK and GRE folder. Go to JDK folder, go to bin folder and copy this path. Okay. After this, go to this again environment variable, and here you can see Java home is created. So again you will click on new. It will ask you need to enter Java home here, and that path will be before bin. This will be Java home path. Click on OK. Then this will be created. Okay, and next again you need to go to path, and here you need to enter this path new, and then you need to enter this bin folder location of Java JDK. Click on OK. And once this Java and Maven is configured, click on OK and OK. Although I haven't did any change, but still, like, to avoid any kind of problem, I will click on cancel. I don't want to reset anything. So far what we did Java setup and Maven setup.
Ravi, I have a question actually. In the edit environment variables, I was able to see only the top portion. Below portion, I don't have an option to create a new.
Okay, environment variable, yeah, on top person we don't need, so don't think about that.
System variables, I didn't have any option to create a new, but
Oh,
user variables wise, I can able to do. But I was
so
created Java underscore home, M2 underscore home,
inside
Maven.
user, inside user or
Inside,
system?
correct, inside user I did.
Okay, you did inside user. Okay. Uh,
As in system
I
variables, it was
think I
unable
think
to.
you don't have admin access. That's why you are not getting for system.
This is my machine only.
Yeah, but still you don't have admin access. So other thing you can do, do right click here. Okay. Ideally, it should not happen. You need to explore on Google why you are not getting that set, why you are unable to update system variable. Maybe some access is not there. Maybe something is wrong with your admin, right? In for that particular user, you check it on Google. There should be some solution.
Okay.
Okay, so this Java setup done, Maven setup done. Anyone has any doubt in Java setup and Maven setup? Oh, JDK what already there, so I don't need this. Okay, so next what we have, this Jira is pending. Okay, Postman done, Maven done, Salesforce done, remote MySQL. Okay, this one we will do. So for remote MySQL, for database we will use this. So you need to go to this remotemysql.com. Okay, so it will ask you for login, and this software is very good for our practice purpose. Oh, no, we will not use this remote MySQL. This is very worst software. Okay, not use this one. Okay, sorry, I did mistake. This software is very like worst software to use for database. Most of the time this software is down. It will not work. So for this we have Clevercloud. Okay, let me put URL. For database we will use Clevercloud. Okay, this is very good cloud platform which will give you some trial purpose. This will give you some space, and this software is working. This application is working very perfectly for database. Okay, so here also you need to register. First, let me log out. Okay, so once you will go to this one. This is the website, clevercloud.com. Okay, then here you have login and sign up option. Click on sign up. Here you need to provide email address. Click on this and sign up with email. Okay, so it will create new account for you, and then here you will get add an organization option. Click on this. Let me see without verification it allow me or not. Click on add on organization. Then you can put organization name. Let's say we will put investment banking. Description, something we will put. No, it's not a company, it's a company. Let's let it be. Billing detail, I think just they will ask your name and other things. Okay, so it's asking me to validate my email, then only it will allow me. So I have already account with, I have already verified account. So I will log in with my verified account. This is my email ID and password. Okay, so here, add-on organization. So once you will click on this, then it will ask you to create new organization. So investment banking. Name. Okay, so it created new organization for me. Okay, now here you can see investment banking organization got created. So here now you can see inside create, we have application and add-on, auth, add app provider. Okay, multiple option we have. So we need to select this add-on one. Once you will select add-on one, it will give you multiple option like what you want to create. I want MySQL database. So we have MongoDB, Elastic Static, many things are there. I want to use this MongoDB. Select this. Sorry, I want to use that MySQL one. So here you can see this is dev one, daily 7 written, and then we have many things here. So first one, this is free one. Okay, type is shared, memory shared, maximum 10 MB you can use, but our training purpose 10 MB is too enough, like too good. So we'll take dev one and then click on next. Click on next. Okay, fill out this. What is this? What is the name of MySQL add-on? Which region should be located? Okay, let me see if it is in India. Oh, what happened? Okay, it got created by name India. Okay, fine, let it be. Let me try to change this add-on name. No, looks good.
Yeah, Ravi, where you selected this dev 7-day trail and all, I was not able to.
Sorry.
No, where you selected this environment as a dev and the trail and memory allocation and all details.
Okay. Let me show you again. I'm just trying to delete this one. Let me see if we have any option to delete.
Software you selected.
So I'm doing again. Add-on organization name,
Organization name was created.
description. Then no, it's not a company. Then other detail you can fill and then click on create. Okay. Now you will get multiple options here inside create. So once you will click on this create, here we have drop down. Once you will click on this, you will get an add-on. Okay, click on this option, and then here you will able to see multiple things. Select this MySQL, and then it will ask you which MySQL one you want. For other one, it's a paid one. Only this one is free one. Select this paid one. Okay, and then click on next, and then it will ask you what is the name of the MySQL add-on. Okay, so here I will put again investment banking. Click on next. Here this MySQL got created, and here we have all the host, database name, username, password, port, everything is here to connect with this database. That next part we will see when we will start working on project. Then we will use all this detail to connect. For now, account creation, we are working on account creation, and that is done. Let me know if anyone has any doubt.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes.
My doubt will be like, so do I have to uninstall the previous MySQL and this because
No.
this?
This is on console. Okay, this is on server. You don't need to do anything with your local MySQL.
Oh, okay. So it's not. I don't have any space issue stuff like that.
Yes, nothing.
Okay, thank you.
And this is the best way since we are going to deploy on Cloud Hub.
Absolutely.
If you will use local MySQL, then you will not able to deploy your application on Cloud Hub.
Absolutely, yeah. This is much better.
Yes. Any doubt from anyone?
Thank you.
Okay, so far 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done. Jira, let me put it at the end. Since this contains lots of things. Postman is done, Maven is done, Salesforce done, Remote MySQL done, JDK done. Confluence again, Jira Confluence we will do together. SMS one, this we can do. Okay, so for SMS, you need to go to authkey.io. This API we will use. So this is SMS service provider, and they provide their API. We can use their API to send SMS. Okay. Everyone go on mute. When you are not speaking, please try to be on mute. Okay, so this is the website for auth.io. This particular company provide messaging service, and initially when you will create your account, it will give you some free credit. So almost 30 to 40 SMS you will able to send. So you need to go to here, sign up, and you need to provide your name, email address, mobile number, and password. So I can help one person to create account, and we will do some trial of using his account. 1-2 SMS we will send. Anyone need to provide your detail. Can anyone give me your mail ID and mobile number? So you can use same account for your training purpose, and for others it will be demo.
Yeah, I'll share my details,
Yeah.
Ravi, if you want.
Let me stop. Let me break this recording also.